Okay.
Clear tube here indicates how much flush water I have up in the top. Pull it out, fill it up in here, put your inside in, and you're good to go. All right. Little green lever, pull this out.
Yep.
Gain access to here. Clearly someone's been using it up top.
Yeah.
Open that up,
Drain.
turning it around, press the green button, and it flushes away. All right.
Yep.
To clean that, very straightforward. They have. Just a matter of that, okay? Clean it out. Put your breakdown chemical in it.
Yep.
And you've also got a walker chain handle as well, so that so everyone knows what you're doing.
The walker chain handle.
Make sure you slide it back in, and it's actually locked in. Otherwise, more mess.
I'll just quickly adjustments for the locks on the inside. Lock these back in, lock them so they don't slide when you're travelling. The gas, three-way gas from that way, gas from that way, but don't run it in the because it'll drain bottle to bottle and lose gas. So hopefully you want it left or right. Okay, caught up.
Front tank fill.
Yep.
In here is your rear tank fill here. And
Okay.
your mains water just in here.
Yes.
15 amp inlet. So as you can see, I'm plugged in at the moment. So
Yep.
when you're at home, just to maintain that charge, all right? So 13.5, 13.7 full battery. I'll leave it on for a week, week and a half. I'll turn it off the wall and let it sit for about a week, week and a half. And I'll never let it go past 12 volt because you're doing damage to those batteries, right? And there's only 12 months warranty on them. So make sure you're just maintaining them and charging them correctly.
Yep.
If I'm at a powered site and I'm plugged in here, my 240 outlets are live. I don't have to press anything, they're just live.
Just live.
Right?
Yep.
There'll be an aerial here, it's for your stereo. The aerial up on top is for your TV, right? It's directional with bunny ears. And that's pretty much it. Trimmer hot water system, runs on mains, runs on gas.
Yep.
That's what it looks like when I'm traveling. That's what it looks like all the time when I'm camping. And do not lose this little plastic bit because it's very expensive to replace. So, that's traveling. Around the back, this is pretty straightforward, but here, 2 gas bayonets at the back. One's barbecue, one's kitchen. So what happens, this pulls out, this goes in the gas bayonet fitting.
Okay.
Turn the gas bottle on, I now have gas going straight into my kitchen. In there as well, you'll see a little black line. That'll pull out and plug into here. This one's wired differently.
Yep.
So you pull it out, put it into there, turn the power button on from inside the camper. Gives me my piezo just down in here. So I've got igniter. Then I've got kitchen light. Supply support leg for that as well.
Yeah.
Always with your legs, just have them on an angle. Okay, this is a little bit too high for my liking. So on an angle.
Yep. Okay.
And then all I'm going to do is lift it up, falls into place. Okay. That way, if I've got it like too vertical, what tends to happen? Push the kitchen too high.
Yeah.
When I drain this water, I'm left with a pool of water. I don't want that.
Okay.
Cutlery drawer.
Yep.
Make sure it's all latched in. In here, there'll be a blue hose for your water. I know not for your water because your water's connected. There'll only be this actually, which is your gas slot lead. So this is going to be for your barbecue.
Barbecue.
Right?
Yep.
Your drain hose is in here. Goes through the bottom of your kitchen, through that hole, into a jerry can or whatever it may be.
Okay. Yep.
These are very easy to do. So just pull that pin, just like so. All this, like I said, all on our YouTube channel. Just like so. Stuff like that. Good to go. Cool. Little bar, TV out here.
Yep.
Your aerial will go into that, TV will go into there, then you've got your audio cables through here if you want to have your audio coming through your speakers.
Cool.
Never travel with your TV in there.
Course
never,
not.
never, never.
Yep.
Your door, okay, pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
Little black lever, pull that up, separates this door.
Yep.
When I get to here and I need to lock that, turn it to the right, then you can lock that door. Otherwise it will not lock. And vice versa, you when you're inside, that's the little lever there on how to lock it from the inside.
Okay.
So as you can see, deadbolt.
Yep.
Deadbolt.
3 positions. Yep.
Dust cover here.
Right.
When I'm inside, remove it.
Okay.
Okay. That's what it looks like when traveling.
Yep.
Take it off when camping.
Okay.
In here is obviously your fridge compartment. That Anderson plug, and there's obviously an exhaust fan as well. When we get inside, talk about buttons and how they and what does what. Fridge switch will only control that Anderson plug and the exhaust fan. It won't do anything else.
Okay.
You've got the mains outlet, 12 volt in there as well. But yeah, that's basically about it. So, I'm going to hop in here and we'll go through a little bit. And how it all works. I'm going to turn that off. Turn that off, the names will always be on. So, I'm just going to say we're camping, right? We're not camping, we're at home, we're charging. That's what it looks like.
Right.
That's off. That's
All
how
off.
I charge. It's not until I press this button, activates all the switches. 13 volts, yeah, so I'm almost charged here. 13.5, 13.7, full battery. I'm actually drawing 4.3 amps in the hour.
Yep.
This is just a guide in percentage. So I am, 100%. As per your state of charge ticker down in here, that will actually say, 12 volt, don't go past it.
Yep. Okay.
So I've got fridge. We'll only do the Anderson in that fridge drawer, and your exhaust fan. Plugs. We'll do your USBs, 12 volt, and your awning button because it runs on the plugs.
Okay.
Pump is obviously when I'm off the grid. Water into my kitchen or water into my ensuite. When you're not using your ensuite, you're not using your kitchen, please turn it off and open a tap and release the pressure. Now, you don't want that pump sitting there trying to purge, and you're just going to do damage to your lines.
Yep.
So lights, okay. Let's just say I turn that on. Let's just say bang, turn it on. Nothing happened. Press this reset button.
Okay.
It comes back on. Grey tank, rear tank, front tank. Rule of thumb with tanks. If I was to back this out right now, I'd drain that water. I wouldn't be traveling with half and half or whatever.
Okay.
Because even if you've got baffles in your tanks or whatever,
Still
if you're doing this and you're going through windy roads or high wind situations, you'll know about it. So
you're even supposed to travel empty tanks?
either travel with
Wherever you
complete
can.
full tanks
full or
or completely empty.
Okay.
Yep, when you can. CD, DVD player.
Yep.
This little button in here is for your electric step.
Yep.
Streamer hot water system. So, two ways it works: via gas, via mains. In the neutral position, it's off at the moment. Okay, I'm not preheating or anything.
No.
Mains, I'm plugged into power. I know that for a fact. What I want to do is get under there, underneath my bed, and there is a mains outlet. It will have your charger, which is on,
Yep.
and then you'll have your Trima hot water system plugged in, and it should
Okay.
be off.
Right.
I want to go and flick that on.
Yep.
Come and preheat 60 degrees or 70 degrees, depending on how hot you want your water.
Okay.
Up you go. You'll hear a click. You wait for a little red light to come on. Bang, I'm
There you go.
preheating.
Yep.
Okay. Not using it. That.
Turn it off.
Underneath the bed, turn it off.
Okay.
Right. Gas, same principle. Gas bottle on,
Yep.
then come preheat, exactly the same.
Okay. I'll grab that.
Can you get that, Jake? Thanks. So, let's just turn these off, right? Lights are on. This one here, main light,
Okay.
external ensuite,
Yep.
the rear of your camper, the kitchen area,
Yep.
and then your light that's been disconnected in here.
Okay.
But, yeah. So let's just say I'm plugged in, because I am already. I'm in mains, I'm at a powered site, I plug in, your 240 outlets are live, you don't have to touch anything.
Mm-hmm.
If I'm off the grid and I want to use those 240 outlets only to charge like laptops or electric shavers or anything
Yep.
like that, I can use that right now.
That's your
They're
exhaust,
live. Please, when you are finished using it,
Yep.
turn it completely off.
Yep.
Make sure it looks like this all the time. Otherwise,
Draining.
you will. You will.
Yep. All right. So
Cool.
when that's on, that just lives up all the power points,
Yep.
all the chargers, all. Yep.
Yep.
Just like being on the grid.
Pretty much.
Same. Yeah. All
And then
right.
under your bed is where your inverter is,
Yep.
your solar regulator, your charger, and you've also got your safety switches too, like your RCD units like at home. So if
Yep.
anything trips, it will hit that first.
Okay.
Underneath your lounge, there is a storage cupboard, but it will have like your water pump, and then it'll have like a little switch valve just beside it. It'll have like a red arrow that will face up towards yourself, and a red arrow that will say F or R, front tank, rear tank. It always
Okay.
is just a swivel.
Just a.
Yeah.
All right.
Give you a quick little demonstration of this thing. Always make sure that's locked.
That's locked, yep.
Press that, opens it up.
Yep.
Bathroom, we do have exhaust fan, air and then out.
Yep.
When you're using your bathroom, open it up, do what you need to do, close it up, press the blue button, flushes it down. There'll
Okay.
be a little luminant light there that will actually tell you that that needs to be emptied straight away.
Okay. Sweet.
So usually on yours there'll be a little black handle just in there. That's the direction for your antenna.
Yep.
Remote for your aircon.
Yep.
When I'm setting this up, I want to remove the safety pins. I want to go rear first, then front.
Okay.
And when I'm packing down, I want to pull this down first,
Yep.
then the rear.
All right.
Always do it in that position.
That order. Okay.
Always. Otherwise you'll do damage to the roof. In this cupboard here is where your fire extinguisher is living.
Yeah.
Your top shelf just in here is where all your information is regarding your inverters, your chargers and all that sort of stuff.
Okay, good.
It's living there. And we also do supply breakdown chemical and rinse aid too for you. Just
Okay.
little starter bottles. That one there is for your ensuite light.
Oh yeah. Oh, sweet light.
Sure.
Cool.
No worries.
Okay. Pretty straightforward, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
What's the trick on putting the awning out? I see you put the arms down halfway and then.
Pretty much, and then you can only feed the awning in on the very, very top main of the roof on the far end side and slide it through. It's probably a two-person job.
Yep.
And then on the bottom there's a secondary bit that goes through the bottom sail track and zips in together to stop
Okay.
any like wind
Yeah.
movement and all the rest of it.
Okay. So you're better off not to wind the awning right out without the supports.
Yeah, leave that in. If you're going to use this,
Oh
leave
yeah,
that
use
in.
this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. That's all straightforward to put in. Yep. Okay.
I'll go use some merchandise, eh? You get the contract for sales.